and welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. Today I'm going through the pink and floral themed bridal shower that I threw for my wonderful little sister. I did use quite a bit of upcycled or vintage items for the display of the dessert table, so I tried to save money where I could, but everything else dishware wise was from my vast china collection, so that was lucky of mine. But let me take you through the DIYs for the various decor that I made for the shower, and I hope it gives you inspiration and I hope you like it. If you do like the video, please remember to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, but let's get to the DIY. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. It gave you inspiration for your own special parties. And if you liked it, I would love to hear from you on social media. Please like, subscribe, be my friend.